Yeah, so are you looking for a free SMTP server that you can use to send bulk emails? So I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail SMTP with this email sender software, then start using to send bulk emails to your recipients. So for you, before I get started to this demo video, I have to let you know that if you are using free SMTP server, they usually used to come with limitations. So maybe some SMTP will be, they will allow you to be able to send 200 emails per day. Some will be able to send maybe 6,000 emails per month, making it 200 or 300 emails per day. So maybe if you are not sending more than these emails per day, maybe you are sending less than 100 or 200. So it's better. I advise you to go for free SMTP like Gmail. So because with Gmail SMTP, you're able to send maybe 50 to 500 emails per day, depending on how strong your Gmail account is. Maybe if you want to send maybe thousands of emails, maybe 5,000 of emails per day, the best option is either you build your own SMTP server or you use multiple Gmail accounts. So if you want to be using multiple Gmail accounts, you have to use an email sender software that supports you to connect multiple SMTP servers. So with this email sender software I'm going to use for this demo, you're able to add multiple Gmail SMTP server to it. So for you to just get the Gmail and this email sender software I'm going to be using this video, you can just click the link under this video. Or if you want to build a whole SMTP server, so be able to send thousands of emails without any limitation, you can just chat on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video tutorial. So if this is your first time watching our YouTube video, click on the subscribe button, so when next time we drop useful updates like this, you are going to get notified. So let me show you how you can connect your Gmail SMTP server to this software, then start using it to send bulk emails. Remember to subscribe. Yeah, so welcome back. So let me show you how to connect your Gmail to this software, then you can start sending your bulk email sender software. So if you have already having your software, you can just follow this method to get your SMTP for Gmail, then start sending, then connect it to your email sender software, then start sending your bulk email. So these are the bulk email sender is going to look like. You have the sending status where you're going to see total amount of message sent, total send success rate, failure, time used to set an interval. It's going to show you all that, and have the option to connect to your SMTP server. So let me show you how to connect to your Gmail. So you just go to gmail.co.smtp. Click on sign in with Google. Choose the Gmail account you want to use for sending. Click on continue. So the system is going to generate the SMTP credential. So just go to your email sender and click on SMTP account. Click on new accounts. Then add the SMTP one account name. From email, you can use your from email. From name, SMTP host. SMTP port is going to 587 TLS. Then your username is going to be Gmax. Then the password is going to be different. Just copy your password. Make sure you enter the correct information, then click on OK. You can add as many as possible SMTP server with this software. So after creating your SMTP, add the SMTP. Then you are going to come to this email template, create a new template. Then enter your name, enter your email, your subjects, your contents. If you want to upload your HTML, just click on this HTML tab, then just clear clear this all the content you see there, then paste your ATM content to it. You can insert your link, insert your image, insert attachment, insert table. So if you want to insert from name, mention the username, user email, reply to email, you can mention all this custom email variable. Rather, after create your template, you click on save. Just save it. It's going to save it here. It's going to save. You click on start here. Then you can click on this SMTP account. Then select your multiple accounts you want to use for sending. You want to use multiple accounts. Select your account. Select multiple account. Choose the type of business you want to send, the email you want to send. Then import your email list. You can import your email list by uploading a test file. Just upload it, or you can do a copy and paste option. But just copy all your emails and paste it to this box. Then send the interval. If you want to send interval to the time you want to be sending your email, and just put in, you can just enter the seconds. Then click on remove duplicate. Then click on OK. Everything is okay. If your SMTP server is okay, it starts sending. You can see it's going to start sending, show you the results. Okay. That's how it works. So for you to get this software, you can just click the link under this video. It's going to take you where to get the software. And if you're looking for a website to buy email leads marketing software, you can just go to atjleads.com. Yes, this website are going to be able to buy email leads. You can buy email leads from here, business or individual leads. If you want to buy software, you can just go to buy software. If you want to buy email sender software, if you want to buy email verifier software, if you want to buy bulk WhatsApp sender, bulk SMS sender, yellow page scraper, SMTP, you can buy all this marketing software from this website. So if you want to chat with us with our customer care, can use the WhatsApp option here, or chat us on Telegram. Maybe you want to pay by crypto, or you want to have a custom order, you can just message us maybe through WhatsApp or Telegram. So that's how it works. So that you can, with this particular website, you're able to get quality leads and all your marketing tools you need. So that's how it works. Let me just show you the sender. Can you see the sender as it going? Can you see the total sending? SMS sent, success, failure, time is going to show you the time used to send this email, so you can track all your record. Let's see, you can track it. Can you see from this form, it's going to be using different SMTP to send. So this is going to help your SMTP server for not getting blacklist. So can you see? So, and also if you want us to help you to build your own SMTP server that you're able to send thousands of emails every day, you can just start up on our WhatsApp by clicking the link under this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you. We'll see you again.